In this question, the thermodynamic parameter values for an endothermic reaction are given. We have to identify the correct values. Endothermic reactions are the reactions which takes place by the absorption of heat energy. So we can say the enthalpy of the reaction delta H will be positive in these type of reactions, because the enthalpy diagram can be represented as given here. From this diagram it is clear, in an endothermic reaction the reactants have smaller energy and the product molecules will have higher energy. So the enthalpy of the product minus enthalpy of the reactant will produce a positive value. It means the enthalpy change delta H will be positive. And the amount of heat energy is absorbing in this endothermic reaction, it means the Q value will be also positive. Now let's come to the options given here. In the first option it says that the QP value is negative. This is wrong as we discussed now. And the second one says that the delta H value is positive. This is correct for an endothermic reaction. Option C is wrong, that is the delta H value is negative. And the last option is given as QP is positive. This is the correct one. So from these four options we can say B and D are correct for an endothermic reaction. Option A is the correct answer.